If you are an Indian, you probably are aware of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test or NEET, a national level medical entrance examination in India, one of the most important exams if you want to enter the medical field. However, the exam this year has sparked a controversy, which has now reached the Supreme Court as well. On June 11, the Apex Court issued notice to the center and the NTA over a petition seeking to cancel results of the NEET UG 2024 exam. The court said, and I quote, "The sanctity of the exam has been affected and we need answers." The court has not stopped counseling but has asked NTA to respond to the paper leak allegation. So what is the case all about? Why is it controversial? And what both parties have said so far? Let's understand.
The Honorable Supreme Court has said that the sanctity of the exam is compromised. They also feel that there has been some kind of issues in the examination, and I asked NTA to answer around this before 8 July.
Students को clearly समझ में आ रहा है और उनको जवाब भी मिला है that close to about 70 to 80 marks have been awarded in grace marks randomly to at least 1500 students. And we are challenging the arbitrary award of grace marks to people. अगर किसी को 650 मिला है या 630 मिला है, उनको 720 भी मिल गया है. They have become all India rank number 1. ऐसे भी हो चुका है.
The NEET UG exam was conducted on May 5 this year and had 24 lakh candidates fighting for their future. The results were declared on June 4, 10 days earlier than the scheduled date. Now, why is this case in court? Number 1, 67 students scored perfect 720. Number 2, some students even scored 718 and 719 marks, which is not possible to get according to the NEET marking system. Number 3, some people seek reasons so as to why the results were announced 10 days earlier on the day of Lok Sabha election results. Number 4, many of the 67 toppers of the exam are from the same examination center. Number 5, there is also a paper leak allegation. Many users and candidates took to X to highlight the discrepancies in the NEET exam. They said that the online registrations were reopened for 2 days on April 9 and 10 due to stakeholders' requests as per NTA, which they thought was suspicious and the registrations were already done twice before. They further said that the exam was held on May 5 and on the same day there were allegations of question paper being leaked. Further, in a Rajasthan center, students reported that the center gave them pre-marked answers and then took the papers back. To this, NTA clarified that the exam was reconducted for those 120 students. As per the NEET results, users alleged that 8 students from the same examination center in Haryana secured a full score of 720 and 2 candidates even scored 719 and 718 marks. But as per the NEET marking system, a candidate gets 4 marks for a correct answer and loses 1 for a wrong answer. If a question is not attempted by a candidate, no mark is given to them. So mathematically, they say that it is not possible for someone to get 719 or 718 marks. Now to this, the National Testing Agency responded saying that they applied a normalization formula to account for the time lost during the exam, and this resulted to some candidates getting 718 and 719 marks. As per the NTA, the allegations of paper leak are quote-unquote completely baseless without any ground. They asserted that every question paper has been accounted for and said that the images of the question paper circulating on social media have no relation to the actual paper. The agency added that one incident at a center in Rajasthan, Savai Madhopur, took place where some students forcibly took away question papers before the exam ended, and a picture of that paper is being linked to the alleged incident of paper leak. A petition was also filed before the Delhi High Court by a candidate raising grievance regarding a question that had 2 correct answers in the answer key. A vacation bench asked NTA to seek instructions on the petition, which says that equal marks should be awarded to those who did not attempt the question, as it is being done for those who attempted either of the 2 correct answers. to review the grace marks awarded to 1,500 candidates, out of which 44 were top scorers. The Education Ministry has set up a 4-member panel on June 8 as per NTA. So now, will the exam get cancelled? Well, the Supreme Court has refused to stop counselling for those who have cleared the exam as of now. But if there is any proof of discrepancies relating to paper leak, then there is a chance that the results might get cancelled. However, students should not lose hopes and concentrate on admissions and still keep preparing till the final word from the court is not out. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.